Hi, my name is Garrido and this is the Garrido on hair loss channel. When I was 20 years old, I started losing my hair. And being so young, I remember it as being one of the most distressing moments of my life. I searched everywhere on the internet for a solution. Luckily, as you can see, I'm recording this 7 years later and my hair has never been as healthy as it is today. Despite what many people think, I don't have a hair transplant. This was achieved by only using medical treatments, which I also discuss in this channel. By subscribing, you will see videos about the best hair loss solutions for you. You will learn about new hair loss treatments coming to the market. And you will get step-by-step guides on how to use some of these treatments, all while answering your most important questions. My approach to making these videos is science-based. This means that I only recommend treatments that are backed by scientific literature from the dermatology and trichology space. If I think that a particular treatment is not good enough or feel that you shouldn't use it, you can count on me to say so. As someone who has been on your shoes before, I know exactly how valuable these videos are, especially if you get to see before and after pictures of other people, which in my opinion can be one of the most encouraging things you need in those distressing moments when you're losing your hair. I've posted over 100 videos on a variety of hair regrowth topics suited for everyone. From people just starting to notice signs of balding to those who have been losing their hair for many years. And don't worry, because if hair is something important to you, you should know that there is always a solution. In the comments below the videos, there's an entire community of people with similar issues, providing insightful feedback and opinions. So subscribe to this channel. By subscribing, you are joining a community and engaging in the discussion of hair loss and eventual hair regrowth, where we can all learn from each other. Wishing you all the best in your hair regrowth journey. Hopefully I will see you soon. Adios.